Hello everybody! Today I'm going to take a close-up look at the Dunelm Santa Rubber Duck. So let's go ahead and take a look. So over here is a Dunelm Santa Rubber Duck, and just taking a look at the overall details of the duck. So the duck measures 13 centimeters long, 13 centimeters tall, and 10 centimeters wide. And to give you some sense of the size of the duck, just resting it in my palm, and of course gripping or holding onto it. And let's take a close-up look at the details of the duck. So you can see that it has a low gloss and matte finish on the overall colors of this festive decorated rubber duck, which is actually 100% PVC. And taking a look at the underside or bottom of the duck, you can see the labels applied on the underside. And it is a floating rubber duck, so it will float in water. And to give you some sense of the material, just tapping on it with my finger. And of course squeezing it. So squeezing various parts of the duck. And you can see it slowly pop back into shape. Very, very slowly or gradually. And then we had to give it a bit of help to just pop it back into shape. So you can see right there the overall details of this Dunelm Santa Rubber Duck, which is made out of 100% PVC, and it does float in water. So that's the Dunelm Santa Rubber Duck. Thanks for watching and happy playing!